Today, I'll walk you through how to show the Downloads button on the toolbar in Microsoft Edge, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access and manage your downloaded files efficiently so you can streamline your browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, open Microsoft Edge. Think of this as opening the door to your digital workspace, a place where all your online activities come together. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Microsoft Edge often updates its interface to enhance user experience. Once you're in Microsoft Edge, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbar. This is your command center, much like the dashboard of a car where you control your browsing journey. Now locate the Downloads button on the toolbar. It might look like a small downward arrow or a folder icon depending on your version. Zoom in. Click the Downloads button to open the Downloads panel. This panel is like your personal library where all your downloaded files are neatly organized. Here you can view and manage your files with ease. Whether you need to open, delete, or find the location of a file, this panel is your go-to resource. It's totally normal if this takes a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of files. And that's how to access the Downloads button in Microsoft Edge. By mastering this simple step, you can keep your downloads organized and easily accessible, enhancing your overall browsing efficiency. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.